Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab E10 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on reset options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. Here your device is of course informing you what it will actually reset, so the among others the Bluetooth and mobile data. So let's tap on reset settings if you're ready. Okay, unfortunately we cannot really change the position of the screen, so I have to change the position of the whole device. Basically right here your device is asking you if you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action. So let's tap on reset settings if you are ready, and simply wait patiently. As you can see, we've got this information that the network settings have been reset successfully. I want to just turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.